So my name's Tyler Babin. I'm an Adobe Creative Resident, and today I'm gonna be showing you how we took 5 different clips I shot on my phone and creating one seamless Instagram story. So if we dive into Rush, you'll see we have 5 different clips that I shot throughout the day. They all start and end with a whip pan going up or down, right? So this makes the transitions look really seamless. We have to dial in this first one just a little bit though. I just wanna grab the end of this clip, we're gonna drag it over, and now if we let this play through, it should look pretty seamless. So most of these clips were shot during the day, except for the last one where I walked into a pretty dark auditorium. Now the transition from this guy doodling over here on the white wall into the dark auditorium is a little intense, so I'm gonna use some built-in transitions in Rush to make this a lot more seamless. If we go up to the right, we can select our transition tab, and just by clicking here on the dip to black, it'll insert it immediately into the timeline. If we let this play all the way through now, we can see it looks really seamless. Now that looks great. All I want to do now is add in a title at the beginning to give it a little bit more context as to where I am. So if we go over to our title tab, click more titles, and I can quickly grab this LA inspired title from Adobe Stock. Just by tapping it in, it'll drop into the timeline. We can resize it. If I double tap here on vibes, I can change it to where I spent the day. So in this case, we're at Adobe Max. And if we let it play all the way through now, I think our story's done. Perfect. I'm super happy with where the story is right now. All we have to do is go over to our share icon, click export, and we're sending it off to Instagram.